How is this coral look like when it is alive? Can you show
That's a
me?
cool piece of coral you've got there. When it's alive, it looks pretty different. The part you're seeing is actually the skeleton. Living coral is covered in soft, colorful polyps that come out to feed. They can be all sorts of colors, like brown, green, or even pink.
Oh, awesome. How they can
Sure, I can
survive
show you
from
what
here?
live coral...
Yeah, please show
Coral
me.
polyps have a special relationship. Alright, here's a picture of some coral reefs. You can see the colorful coral and the fish that live there. Is there anything else you'd like to know about coral reefs?
That's all, thank you. I want to see the picture.
Sure thing. Here's a picture of some coral reefs. You can see the colorful coral and the fish that live there. Is there